Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and today we're going to get cracking with this. Okay, so the front subframe. I've had it shot blasted, I've had all the components done, cleaned and painted. I've had this upside down and I've painted the underneath of it, as you can see. Apart from in here at the moment, fully, it's all cleaned up, it's all nice. When I put it onto the top, where I obviously haven't had access to clean it, it's a little bit runny. There's a few little sort of yellow marks that where the undersill is still visible. So I have some new or fresh hammerite. So the job is now just to put one final coat, hopefully, of hammerite, covering the whole of this, and then hopefully we can then start getting on with the rebuild. So I have all the parts, I just need to pull my finger out and get on with it. So let's do this. So I've got new hammerite and I've got a new brush as well, and hopefully between the two of these they'll cover much better than the old stuff. Now the old stuff I had been sat around for a number of years and it seemed a little bit oily to go on, or a little bit greasy. So hopefully, new paint, better coverage. So let's crack on. Okay, so the paint here is going on so much better now than it was previously. I think previous paints, that previous tin of paint I had, I think it just passed its best. So I've just used the bit that's on the lid for now, and what a difference that's made. It's covered so much better, it's left very minimal streaks, lines, and actually the coverage of it is a hell of a lot better as well. So I'm going to keep ploughing on. I'm going to give one final coat over the whole thing, and hopefully that is going to cause, or hopefully that's going to improve the whole look of the subframe. Okay, so the subframe is now all painted up, as are the things above my head. So they are the upper arms, lower arms and tie bars. They're all painted, ready to go. Just need a little bit more drying time. Then I can start building up the bearings, building up the arms and getting them fitted up. So I've got all the parts I need. I don't think I've got any bleed nipples, but I can add them on after, so it's not the end of the world. So let's get in the house now, get into the warm, and we'll come back here and then we'll start building up the arms. So let's go.